Hey guys, welcome back to Triple R Backyard Grilling. For today's video, we're going to be doing grilled Salsa Verde chicken. Now let's go inside and get things started. Hi, here we are. We're back in the Triple R kitchen. For today's ingredients, we're going to be using boneless chicken breast, olive oil, Salsa Verde, cumin, chopped up garlic, red chili powder, red onions, the sliced jalapenos, and the cilantro, which will be used later on in the video, and lemon juice, and we're going to top it off with Monterey Jack Cheese. And don't forget guys, on a hot day like today, it's just a little over 100, ice cold beer. So let's get things started. We're going to dump our green Salsa Verde in the bowl. We're going to add our chopped garlic, our cumin, our chili powder, our red onions, freshly squeezed lime juice. We like to add a little bit of the cilantro. In our house, we eat this stuff like crazy. I'm going to mix it up real quick, and then we're going to add about maybe 2 teaspoons to maybe 2.5 teaspoons of olive oil. Just want to make sure we get a nice good mix in there. I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil, not too much. That should be good right there. Get it mixed up once again. Got that there. Now is what we're gonna do. All right, here we are. We're pouring it over the chicken. Now we gonna let it sit. Gonna let it marinate. Probably let it marinate for about 20-30 minutes. Once it's ready, we'll go ahead and put it on the grill and get things going. We'll see you outside. Okay, here we have our marinated chicken. They've been marinated for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator. So now we're gonna go ahead and put them on the grill. Shake some of the excess off. Let them cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Come back, flip them around real quick, cook them for another 6 minutes, and then we'll get the mozzarella and the jalapenos on there, get them melted, and we'll take them inside and we'll get it plated up for you. Alright, here we go. Here we have our Monterey Jack Cheese, our jalapenos, and our red onions. Our toppings for our chicken breast. So let's go ahead and get them topped. They've been on it for about 8 minutes. So I'm going to add the Monterey Jack cheese on top. Next, that is add some of the red onions. Next is the kicker, is with the jalapenos. I'd add one more, a little bit hot. Be careful. Now we're going to close it up and let it melt, and shut one burner off, and then we'll get them ready. We'll get them plated up, take them inside. We should be ready to go. All right, guys, here we are. We're back inside. As you can see, we have the final product. We have our grilled Salsa Verde chicken breast. So with that, we added a little bit more salsa, green salsa, added some cilantro, paired it up with grilled corn cob. So what I basically did was just baste the corn, probably about every 5 to 8 minutes. I like to use melted butter, SPG, and actually fresh garlic. Basically, like I said, every 5 to 8 minutes, just as you turn it. So if you guys try this recipe, give us comments, give us a thumbs up, and by all means hit that subscribe button on the bottom. So now let's dive into it and see what it tastes like. Chicken cuts real easy, real tender. Gonna get a little bit of that jalapeno. Chicken is tender, juicy. You can taste that salsa verde, jalapeno, and the cilantro. Like I said, guys, if you try it, leave comments. And you know what? We'll see you guys next round.